Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have a fashion haul from different stores. I wanted to put it all together in one video. Before we begin, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel and this is your first time watching, make sure that you click that subscribe button right now, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that way YouTube will notify you every time I post a new video. Just so you know, I do post 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and sometimes I do post more than 3 days a week, but on average it is 3 days a week. Let's begin because I have quite a bit to show you guys. I'm gonna start off with what I have on right now. The first one being is this sweater right here. I did get this on H&M.com. Now they do also have these in stores and I do have them in different colors, but I decided to get it in the black. If you guys don't know, I love black. I feel like something about black, it just looks so chic and put together. It's a simple sweater, but yeah, it looks so pretty. I love this sweater, guys. Now I did get it in a size large because I wanted to look a little bit oversized. And this is just so pretty. This is only $9.99, so I think that the price is just amazing for the quality of the sweater. Is just beautiful. It is really nice and soft. It's more thin. It's not like a super thick sweater, which I love because I do like to also have sweaters that are more on the thin side, so that way when I wear coats and really big chunky outerwear, coats or jackets, I like to kind of feel like I'm still able to breathe. And this is just amazing. I really love this one. I think this is a great quality. It has this right here, like it looks a little bit more loose. And guys, I love this so much that I also got it in another color. So I also got it in the color white. I've been wanting a true white sweater for a long time, but a lot of times when I buy it, it ends up looking more like cream, and I do have like a cream sweater, but I wanted a true white sweater. I just think something about white sweaters or white in general, it looks so crisp and put together, and at the same time I just feel like it makes you look really, really chic. I really love this. So it looks like that. It's more higher in the front and a little bit more low in the back. Guys, this is amazing, really nice quality. So I do recommend that you pick these up if you are looking for some really nice quality sweaters. They do have those in like 10 colors. Moving on to one of my favorite pieces in this haul, and it is this coat right here. So it looks like this, and guys, this is such an amazing quality. Now I got this one at Old Navy. They were having a sale and I was so excited to pick it up. Now this is in the size medium and I feel like it is true to size. I usually get my coats and jackets in a size medium unless it runs like super large. This is an amazing coat, guys. This was originally $75, but I got it for $37. So I do think that is a great price for what it is. It looks like a really expensive chic coat that people will probably think you spent like $200 on, and it was only $37. This one is just amazing. It has a nice, like a nice weight to it, but it's not super heavy, but it's definitely thick. And it does have these pockets right here, and it is a zip up, which I love. And guys, I've been really into like this nude color coat. I just think it looks so chic and so put together. So I do recommend that, guys, if you're looking for a coat like this, check it out. They do have them on the website as well. And this is just amazing. I don't know how long their sale will run for, but to get it at $37 and it was originally $75, I think that is a really great deal. And I really love it. So like I said, this probably is like one of my favorite from everything that I'm going to show you right now. And then I only got one thing from Shein. Most Shein clothes, with my experience, are pretty good, but there are some like duds where you buy and you're like, what the heck is this? The quality is horrible. But this one I think is amazing quality. So this is like a lace satin cami, and I really love it. I've been wanting a top like this for the longest time, but I'm very picky with it because a lot of times they end up being like too low cut. But this is perfect. It doesn't show my cleavage, but yet it's really nice and chic. And this was like $7. I think that is an amazing deal. Quick tip I want to give you guys: whenever you're shopping on Shein, make sure you go to retailmenot.com. Always get a coupon code from there. I usually am able to get a coupon code of 10, 15, up to 20% off, which is amazing to always get like up to 20% off your whole order. It makes a huge difference, trust me. And I just think the quality is amazing. This satin is really nice and smooth, and it just is very, very flattering. So I love this. And I also like to wear this with like a turtleneck sweater underneath and put this over as well. I just think that looks cute. The only thing I do recommend, which I didn't do, is either steam it or iron it, because when it is delivered to your door, because they fold it, it does give you these ugly lines. But I mean, it's no big deal. Like I said, you can iron it or steam it and you're good. The last items that I want to show you guys is actually from a store called Gal Grub. They do have these in a lot of the malls that I go to. Basically, I live in Southern California, and a lot of the stores that I go to, or a lot of the malls that I go to, they do have these stores. I did get some pieces that I want to show you guys that I think that they're really amazing. So the first one being is this one right here. So this is a mock neck dress. Now it does look really, really small, and it will look like it probably wouldn't fit me because I am very curvy. And I'm usually a size medium in dresses, but I did have to size down on this to a size small, because when I did try on the medium, it looked like it was having extra material that was gathering around my hips, and I don't like that look. So I did get this in a size small. This was originally $24, but it was on sale for $15. It is amazing. And this is very, very stretchy. And I am definitely gonna wear this with this coat right here. I just think that would look so chic with some really nice boots. The next item that I picked up are these right here. So these are joggers. And I have to say, guys, I love these joggers. I really wanted to get the hoodie one, but they didn't have it. It was all out of stock. The girl told me that they're gonna bring it in hopefully in like 2 weeks. So I'm really hoping I'll be able to pick that up. But these are so flattering. They're so amazing. I did get it in a size small and they fit perfect. They're so comfortable. And this is by the brand Ambiance. I have seen this brand a lot when they used to have this store called Fallas Paredes. Let me know, guys, if you used to have those stores in your area. But that store I used to love when I was in high school. And also when I graduated and I was barely working, I used to go there a lot because they had really affordable pieces. And I remember the name brand was Ambiance. They used to have a lot of those and I had so much fun there. But now I noticed that that store carries that name brand. And guys, I love it. It is such an amazing quality. It has pockets and it is a jogger style. And guys, I have to say that this is like a true black. I have gotten a hoodie from Walmart and I compared it next to each other. I was gonna just wear that with this since the hoodie one from this store is out of stock, but the Walmart one is a little bit a lighter black and this one is darker. Like this is a true dark black, true black color, and I really like that. I love that so much that I also got it in the color gray. So it looks like this. This is like a heather gray, and that's why I really love it. This one was the last one in the size small. Was so happy. And this is so beautiful. I am so into this heather gray, like a light gray. It's just so, so beautiful. So flattering. And it just makes you look more slim, and it just hugs your curves in the right places. I just think it's really, really flattering. They do have these in multiple colors, but they do sell out quite fast just because they are really amazing. Has a nice stretch. This is a real working drawstring. And again, it's a jogger, which I love. Now in this one, I was able to find the zip up hoodie. So it looks like this. And it is amazing. Guys, I've been into that monochromatic look and I love joggers that match like the top and bottom. I just love it. And I'm so picky. Like I want it to be the exact same color. I don't like to have like a light gray and then a different kind of gray. Like they have to be the matching set. And I really, really love this. And it looks like this. This again is in a size small. It's very nice and stretchy, but it's nice on your body. One more thing that I want to mention, guys, are these earrings right here. So I got these at TJ Maxx for about $16.99. They are sterling silver, and these are by Rachel Zoe. Let me show you guys. So it comes in this box right here, and it was $16.99. I do think that is a great deal for it being sterling silver. I have very sensitive ears, so I was able to get these and I absolutely love them. I mean, look at them. They are so chic. And I'm very picky with earrings. I usually love them or hate them. Let me show you guys how it looks, because I feel like it's not doing any justice by just showing you like from it being on my ear. Look at that, guys. It looks like real diamonds, and it's just so chic. So this butterfly trend is really going strong. I am really digging this butterfly trend right now. And oh my gosh, guys, I just think these are so pretty. So if you're able to find some butterfly earrings, I do recommend that you pick them up. Anyways, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate all your love and your support. I do read all your comments, just so you guys know. Thank you again so much. And until next time, remember, stay blessed. Bye.